Hello and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Andrea and this is Dessert First. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue sauce. It's summertime, it's that traditional time to get out and barbecue something. There's a ton of barbecue sauces in the stores, but this one is so easy to make. Just make it the day ahead so it has a chance to kind of marry all the flavors together and you'll be good to go. Whether you want to put it on chicken, beef, pork, burgers, whatever your barbecue flavor is, this sauce is going to make it just taste delicious. So, all right, let's get started. So let's get started making our barbecue sauce. So you can scale this up to as much barbecue sauce as you want. If you're having a really large barbecue, then you can double this, triple this, quadruple this. It's really easy to do a bigger batch. I've made this into a small batch just because, you know, it's not going to keep forever in the refrigerator. It will keep for a week or so. So we're going to start off with 8 ounces of ketchup. And then 8 ounces of tomato sauce. We're just going to kind of give this a little bit of a stir here. And then we're going to add a half a cup of gently packed brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar, but you can use light, just whichever you have on hand. So this will be really good to either have, you know, at the end when you're just serving your barbecue, or if you want to brush it on as you're cooking, you can do that as well. And then we've got salt and pepper, and I'm using white pepper only because it is a lot finer than black pepper, so it'll be a little more evenly distributed. So, but you could use black pepper if you wanted to. So there's a 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt and then a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. And that's the white pepper. So you can see it's just really powdery. Okay. And then we are going to add some lemon juice. So I'm just using the bottled real lemon juice. It works perfectly fine. I've always used this. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We are going to use a half a tablespoon of liquid smoke. So usually the liquid smoke, you're going to find that in the aisle where most of your like hot sauces are, and that sort of thing, your condiments and stuff. So a half a tablespoon of liquid smoke. This is just going to add a little bit of that smokiness to your sauce that you would normally get if you were barbecuing with wood. And then we are going to add some Worcestershire sauce. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons. And then we are going to add some hot sauce. Normally I would use Louisiana hot sauce, but the Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce is very similar. It's a little thicker than the Louisiana hot sauce, but it will work just fine. You want to be careful with some hot sauces like Tabasco because it will just kind of give it a little different flavor. Tabasco has a really strong, unique flavor, but this will work just fine. And we're just doing 3/4 of a teaspoon, so not very much. All right, and then we're just gonna mix this up, and I'm probably gonna use my whisk. All right, and then I'm just going to put this into a jar so I can put it into the refrigerator. And you're just going to want to try and make it the day before so that it has time to set. So all the sauces and flavorings have a chance to marry in there. It will just taste better. It just needs time. But you can see how quick and easy that is to mix up. So I'm just going to put a lid on it and put it in the fridge, and then it'll be ready to add to whatever my husband barbecues. All right.